Welcome back to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard, market analyst at Hantec on Friday the 17th of April. Looking at cable, and cable is another chart where it just shows that the dollar strength is still starting to take hold. We've had two negative candles in a row, an intraday technical rally overnight in the Asian session really did sort of help to improve the outlook again, but that rally has just simply fallen over once more. And the real test is coming back on this 2405 level. That was yesterday's low, and again has come in today pretty much to the pip as today's low. So that is clearly a line of support that the market is looking out for at the moment. But there is this sort of negative bias that's developing following on from this breakdown below 2485. We saw that that was an old break up through resistance, and you'd be thinking that that would be supportive, and it held as support initially, but throughout the last few days has been sort of breaking down quite consistently below that line. So you'd be a little bit concerned about that, and it certainly looks as though that the market is at best neutral, and possibly even now turning into a more corrective line, given the fact that we're now sort of posting these negative candles and stochastics bear crossing rolling over, pretty much not a million miles off confirming a sell signal now. RSI just hanging on to 50 MACD lines rolling over at neutral. So at best you're neutral on cable, but again another decisive bear candle today, including a close below 2405, would really, I think, turn this into a bit of a corrective move back to 2160 again. That would be the risk with this, because I mean you'd be sort of looking at support lines of this old range, and you think, well, 23 figure to 2350 was sort of an old pivot area. Perhaps that is a basis of support, but to be honest, the first real support doesn't really come in until 2160 area again, and given the negative configuration starting to develop, you'd say negative bias is starting to take hold. 60 failure at 60 on RSI, back below 40, sort of edging 30 is sort of again playing into that negative bias that we have. Very slight pick up from support today, 2405, so just hanging on for now, but certainly a breach of that 2405 level and you really are turning, I think, more corrective on cable. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos and go to our website to sign up for our webinars.